Body language is a powerful form of communication that often speaks louder than words. From the subtle movements of our hands to the expressions on our faces, nonverbal cues can reveal a wealth of information about our thoughts, feelings, and intentions. Whether you're in a business meeting, social gathering, or romantic encounter, understanding how to interpret body language can give you a significant advantage in navigating various situations. In this video, we will delve into the intricacies of body language, exploring the different types of nonverbal cues and their meanings. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to decipher body language effectively, enhancing your communication skills and interpersonal relationships. The basics of body language. Definition of body language. Body language encompasses all nonverbal signals that we use to communicate, including facial expressions, gestures, posture, and eye contact. It serves as a crucial supplement to verbal communication, often conveying emotions and intentions more accurately than words alone. Universality of nonverbal communication. While specific gestures and expressions may vary across cultures, many aspects of body language are universal. For example, a smile typically signifies happiness or friendliness in most cultures, while crossed arms often indicate defensiveness or closed-off attitude. The 3 V's of communication. Understanding the 3 dimensions of communication, verbal, vocal, and visual, is essential for comprehensive communication analysis. Body language falls under the visual component, alongside facial expressions and gestures. Understanding facial expressions. Micro-expressions. These fleeting facial expressions lasting for a fraction of a second can reveal concealed emotions or reactions. For instance, a brief flash of anger or fear may betray someone's true feelings, even if they try to mask them with a neutral expression. Spotting deception. Liars may display incongruent facial expressions, such as smiling while discussing a somber topic. Learning to recognize these discrepancies can help uncover deception more effectively. Cultural variations. While some facial expressions, like joy or sadness, are universally recognized, cultural norms can influence their intensity and frequency. For instance, individuals from certain cultures may express emotions more openly, while others may adopt a more reserved demeanor. Deciphering gestures. Emblems versus illustrators. Emblems are specific gestures with well-defined meanings, such as the thumbs up sign for approval. Illustrators, on the other hand, accompany verbal speech to emphasize or clarify a point, like pointing while giving directions. Cultural differences. Gestures that are innocuous in one culture may carry offensive connotations in another. For instance, the "okay" gesture, formed by touching the thumb and index finger to create a circle, is commonly used in Western cultures to signify agreement. However, it can be interpreted as offensive in certain regions, such as Brazil and Turkey. Interpreting posture and body movements. Power poses. Adopting expansive, open postures can boost feelings of confidence and dominance, both in oneself and in how others perceive them. For example, standing tall with shoulders back and chest out can convey assertiveness and authority in professional settings. Mirroring. Subtly mimicking someone's body language can foster rapport and establish a sense of connection. For instance, if someone leans forward during a conversation, mirroring their posture can signal empathy and engagement. The eyes habit. Understanding eye contact. Different types of eye contact. Direct eye contact is generally considered a sign of attentiveness and sincerity, whereas avoiding eye contact may suggest discomfort or dishonesty. However, cultural norms and individual preferences can influence the interpretation of eye contact. Eye contact and deception. Liars may maintain prolonged eye contact to appear more credible, but excessive or forced eye contact can actually raise suspicions. Observing shifts in eye contact patterns, such as frequent glances away or avoidance of direct gaze, can be indicative of deceit. Putting it all together. Reading body language in real-life scenarios. Job interviews. Candidates who display confident posture, maintain good eye contact, and use appropriate gestures are often perceived as more competent and trustworthy. Conversely, fidgeting or avoiding eye contact may signal nervousness or lack of confidence. Dating and relationships. Positive body language cues, such as leaning in, smiling, and making prolonged eye contact, can signal attraction and interest during romantic encounters. Conversely, crossed arms, tense posture, or lack of mirroring may indicate disinterest or discomfort. Improving your own body language. Self-awareness. Paying attention to your own body language can help you identify and correct habits that may undermine your communication efforts. Recording video presentations or practicing in front of a mirror can offer valuable feedback on your nonverbal cues. Using gestures. Incorporating purposeful gestures can enhance your communication by adding emphasis and clarity to your message. For example, using hand gestures to illustrate key points during a presentation can captivate the audience and reinforce comprehension. Body language in the digital age. Nonverbal communication in virtual settings. While virtual communication lacks many of the visual cues present in face-to-face interactions, subtle cues such as facial expressions and body posture can still be observed through video calls. Paying attention to these cues can help bridge the gap in digital communication. Emojis and emoticons. In digital communication, emojis and emoticons serve as substitutes for facial expressions and gestures, conveying emotions and intentions in written form. For example, a thumbs up emoji can signify approval or agreement in text-based conversations. In conclusion, body language is a complex and multifaceted aspect of human communication, rich with nuance and subtlety. By honing your ability to read and interpret nonverbal cues, you can gain deeper insights into the thoughts and feelings of those around you, leading to more meaningful connections and successful interactions. Whether in professional or personal settings, mastering the art of body language can truly be a game changer in your life.